Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Roblox encountered unexpected error. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to actually open the start menu as see from here and search for core isolation as see from here, or you can actually search for memory integrity. And the core isolation will pop up for you too. As see from here, you need to click on it. And now from here, if you have turned on the memory integrity or core isolation, you need to turn it off from here. So you need to actually open the settings as an administrator to actually be able to turn it off. So after that, if this didn't actually help you, you need to go to the start menu again and search for the settings menu. Click on it. And from here, you need to search for add or remove apps or programs. You need to click on here. And now on the search bar, you need to search for Roblox. So from here on the Roblox app, you need to click on the three dots and hit on uninstall. Hit on uninstall again, and after that the Roblox uninstaller will pop up, and now you need to install Roblox again, and that will hopefully fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.